Pickled pork skin has a variety of flavors and is rich in collagen. It is everyone's favorite deli snack. After passing the vacuum package, it can be stored for a long time without adding preservatives. Today, I will take you to learn more about the packing scheme of pickled pork skin. Elemotion's pre-made bag vacuum packing machine all-in-one machine, while the 1016, 1018 model equipment adopts a fixed shrink cap unloading machine integrated with the equipment, which is suitable for packing relatively fine food materials such as pork skin, duck intestines, kelp silk, and so on. It is a food packing equipment commonly used for leisure snacks. Next, let's take a look at the specific packing process of pickled pork skin. Elemotion vacuum packed machine can pack all kinds of leisure food. If you need it, please contact us.